So today we're going to check multiplying same numbers that are ending in 5. So the tip works the same numbers that are ending with the 5. Let's take a look at it. So let's say if I give you multiply 15 times 15, we multiply 5 times 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 times 2, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2, that's 75, and then you put that 5, and then 1 times 1 is 1, and you get that. 2 and then plus 1 is 225. So this is how the normal math or the normal everyday classroom we teach multiplying 15 by 15. But I'm going to show you the technique. It works with the numbers ending with the 5 and repeatedly. So the technique works this way. So it's 15 times 15. So you multiply these two numbers. So the ending numbers multiply, which is 5 times 5 is 25. Now I'm going to look at it. The next number is 1. So what comes after 1? So it's 2. So it's 1 times 2, that is 2. So your answer is 225, which is we have the same one. So we may think like, okay, is it going to work for every number? I'm going to check it. Let's see, 25 times 25. So last two numbers, 25. The number come after 2 is 3. So 2 times 3, 6. So that's 625. Again, so this technique works with any number ending with 5 and repeatedly. So let's take a big number, 105 times 105. So the last two numbers gives you 25, and the 11 comes after 10. 10 times 11, 110. So this is the answer. So if you go on the traditional method, it takes more time, but just using this, it's faster. Hope you enjoy this technique, and I will add more techniques in this group, so that way you can teach our kids.